Yo, lots of stuff is happening in here already. Flashlight's turning on and the cat ball to the left of me turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to this.
Did you hear that, right?
What?
It was like the loudest footsteps I think we've ever heard.
Not near me.
What?
Guys!
What?
Yes!
Dude, I can hear that from
Very
here.
clear. What was that?
Whoa. What the f...
Some twin paranormal
That is
going on in the
terrifying.
background.
Whoa. Can you not make that last one out?
Get the
I don't know. I'm gonna listen to it one more time.
It's another face. It's creepy.
It sounds like growling. I can't make it out. Once again, if there is somebody around me, speak loud and clear into this device, please. Again, what is your name?